Hello, fellow content creators and digital enthusiasts. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we unravel the secrets to skyrocketing your engagement on Instagram Reels. Today, we're diving deep into 10 Instagram Reels ideas for instant engagement. If you're ready to unlock the algorithm, let's get started. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our expert tips and tricks. Now, let's take a look at our first engaging idea. 1. Trending challenges. Number 1. Ride the wave of trending challenges. Keep your finger on the pulse of the platform by participating in popular challenges. Be creative, put your own spin on it, and watch your engagement soar. Speaking of engagement, let's move on to our next tip. Idea number 2. Collaborate with other creators. Team up with influencers or content creators in your niche to expand your reach and tap into their audience. Collaboration is the name of the game. Now, let's explore another surefire way to boost engagement. Idea number 3. Tell a compelling story with a twist. Keep your viewers hooked with a captivating narrative, and then hit them with an unexpected surprise. It'll leave them craving for more. But wait, we've got more engagement secrets coming your way. Number 4. Share quick tutorials and hacks. Teach your audience something valuable in under a minute. Solve a problem and you'll have their gratitude and engagement. Now, let's reveal another Instagram Reels engagement booster. Idea number 5. Show behind-the-scenes glimpses of your life or work. Let your viewers in on your daily routines, creative process, or workspace. Authenticity builds strong connections. But hold on, there's more to explore. 6th idea. Encourage user-generated content. Create a hashtag challenge or ask your audience to submit their content related to your niche. It's a win-win, as it boosts engagement and builds community. Don't click away just yet. We've got more gems for you. Idea number 7. Choose memorable music and soundtracks for your reels. The right audio can set the mood and make your content unforgettable. Keep your viewers tapping their screens. Let's keep the engagement train rolling with idea number 8. Number 8. Stay relevant and timely. Connect your content to current events, trends, or holidays. When your content is in sync with what's happening, engagement naturally follows. Hold tight, we're almost there. 9th idea, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and make your viewers feel heard and valued. This interaction is golden for engagement. And now, our final engagement booster. Idea 10, aesthetically pleasing visuals. Last but not least, idea number 10, create aesthetically pleasing visuals. Invest time in crafting beautiful and eye-catching reels. When it's visually pleasing, viewers are more likely to engage and share. There you have it, folks. 10 Instagram Reels ideas for instant engagement that'll have you climbing the algorithm ladder in no time. Remember, the key to Instagram Reels success lies in creativity, authenticity, and staying connected with your audience. So go ahead, try these ideas, and watch your engagement skyrocket. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering the digital world. Thanks for watching, and happy creating. For more insights, check out our related videos on Instagram Reels strategies. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Until next time, keep those reels engaging.